Papalapit na sila rin sa stage. Welcome mo naman ulit.
Yes, AJ Mulak, Megan D. and
Joseph and
good evening everyone. Excited ba kayo? Thank you so much for supporting me and thank you so much for
good evening everybody. Maraming salamat. I'm so excited to watch the movie. Enjoy.
Yes, thank you so much, James and Sam. Of course, James, maraming salamat kasi andito pa to support the team para sa movie na pala. Yun lang. Yung pigilan. Thank you so much, James. Ayaw ko na kayong bagurin pa. Enjoy the movie, James and Sam. Thank you.
Ayan. Ginawa kayo guys. Guys, okay.
Grabe, Dok. Hindi ko ito kaya, Dok. Sobrang naging init. Hindi ba kayo lahat? Grabe ni James. Si Sandy, Mogi. Ayoko na tumira sa Earth. Ayoko na tumira sa Earth. Actually, marami pa akong mga prepare na question. Ano no? Ibalik natin si James. Pasensya na, hindi ko na siya mababalik. Yes, thank you so much, James. Direct Irene Villamor. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be with them. Ang ganda naman ni Mr. Team. Nakakaloka naman po. Guys, medyo move po tayo para pumakatakan po sila. Direct Irene Villamor. Of course, Mr. Dean Luce and Marco Gumabaw. Okay, before anything else, some pictorial muna dyan. Some picture. So, ang support nila sa ulan.
po magustuhan niyo yung movie namin at sabihin sa lahat ng mga kapatid nyo, sa family nyo, about our movie, and sana magustuhan niyo po lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Of course, Direct Irene Villamor, ano po masasabi niyo? Grabe po yung support na sa movie mo na sobra.
Maraming salamat po. Sana po support natin yung movie. Sana manood kayo. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Direct. And of course, our multi-video princess, Miss Nadine Lustre.
Hello, good evening. Gusto ko lang po sobrang excited na po kami na makita niyo ulit. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Marco Bumabaw, Direct Irene Villamor, and of course, Miss Nadine Lustre. Ayan, picture lang po tayo dito muna. Ayan. Oh my God, guys! See you sa loob. Grabe, I'm so excited to watch the movie. Don't forget, on March 13, palabas na po ang Ulan. Thank you so much. And this movie is brought to you by, of course, Vigo Films, S-Squared Production, and Group Regional Movie. Thank you so much, Ayala Malls Trinoma and Ayala Malls Cinemas. Thank you, guys! March 30, don't forget.
I'm so excited and I'm so happy that I was able to get we can see the movie na ginawa
We would also like to call our co-producers from Hope Philippines, Sir Jet Remillo, Head of Content for Hope Philippines. So Jet, tuwan po natin. Message po for everyone.
Nadine, thank you sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Sana manood kayo ng may bayan. Sa dress cigarette.
Yes, sa lahat po na nandito, thank you so much for coming. And I hope you guys like our movie and masabi ko sa mga friends and sa family nyo to watch our movie on March 13 na po yan. So yun, thank you po.
And of course, Nadine.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Thank you all for coming. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo po yung film. Thank you.
And syempre, Sir Jet, Ms. Maled, meron po kayong message and syempre for everyone here.
So we're inviting everybody to support this movie. This is the first ever collaboration of Hook and Vigo Films. So please watch the movie. Enjoy it tonight.
And I would like to take this opportunity to thank Boss Big, thank you, and of course Vincent for trusting this project with Hook. And this is our first ever Hook original movie, and there's going to be more this year, so watch out for those. Thank you again, Viva.
Thank you very much. Palakpakan ulit natin siya to the cast, director, and our friends from Hook who made this film possible. Thank you very, very much. Of course, I'd like to acknowledge Square and Square Productions.